Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. First I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to line my cookie sheet with wax paper. Now I'm going to take 2 sticks of butter and mix them together until it's smooth in a mixer. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of regular sugar and 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to do 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, cups and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to whisk all of these ingredients together. Okay, so now I'm going to add the eggs one at a time and mixing between each time I add them in there. Vanilla bean, and we didn't have vanilla extract, or I would add that in there. Okay, so now I'm going to fold in the chocolate chips. Okay, so now I'm going to take about that much dough and place it, and these do spread out a pretty good bit, and so you need to make sure and place them pretty good bit far apart. Now I'm going to put these in the oven for about 11 minutes. I just got the cookies out, and I'm gonna let them cool for 2 minutes before putting them on putting it on a cookie rack. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to be entered in the giveaway that I will announce on my 20th video. Bye.